This 1995 armored Mercedes-Benz W140 S600 L Guard is a factory car that is originally designed with armor. It is based on a factory-made armored capsule, not armor plating, and all the main components are designed for an increased weight of the car. Armor class, medium, B6, B7. Despite the name, this is practically the maximum class for a passenger car. The Garage of Special Purpose, ГОН, is a structural subdivision of the Federal Security Service of the Russian Federation. Belonging to the Garage of the Federal Security Service is indicated by blue strobes, embedded antennas, Caucasus and Carat, points for fixing the standard in the front wings, as well as factory armor according to the B7 ballistic standard. The signs of the armored car are special wheels and thick glass edging.